Arbitration agreements with infinite scope and/or counterparties put the arbitration law at a hard test with serving justice. In the court of public opinion, multi-million-dollar consumer-facing companies have attempted to deprive everyday citizens of their day in court in favor of arbitration. Last year, the spotlight was on Disney for its initial decision to move a Florida court to compel the arbitration of a wrongful death case. The surviving husband had suffered the loss of his wife from a fatal allergic reaction when eating at a restaurant in Disney World in 2023. Disney alleged that the surviving husband had waived the day in court because he had agreed to arbitration when he signed up for a Disney Plus free trial in 2019, 4 years before the fatality. Are these circumstances too crass to withstand a simple legal analysis? Does arbitration even have a perception issue? Why is presenting your case to an arbitrator or a panel of arbitrators something lesser than a day in court? If arbitrators are bound by the laws, how would arbitration be more advantageous to a business? Parties are, of course, generally free to contract and agree to arbitrate, but this case suggests that an unconscionability threshold may have been crossed. If parties, even through their family members, truly agreed on arbitration, then their bargains should be upheld and their arbitration agreements enforced. In this way, arbitration agreements must be treated as just another type of contract. And for many kinds of disputes, arbitration offers benefits that courts can't match, such as decision-maker expertise and procedural flexibility. But there cannot be arbitration if the parties did not truly agree. And that may be the case when the scope of disputes is infinite, or the counterparties are. Is that where the law stops serving justice? Of note, in the end, Disney waived its right to arbitrate and said that with such unique circumstances as the ones in this case, we believe this situation warrants a sensitive approach to expedite a resolution for the family who have experienced such a painful loss. Perhaps ironically, for decades, arbitration had been praised to do just that, expedite a resolution of a dispute. A day in court used to be further away than a hearing in front of an arbitrator.